Hello everyone and welcome back to Allen Tech. Today I'm going to be doing a quick kind of repair or fix for a TV messing up. This particular one that I've been having the issue on was an LG, I believe the model number is 42LC7D, and it was made in about 2010, somewhere around there. So it's not necessarily an old TV by any means. It's a 720p 42-inch TV from LG. And the issue that you might be having, or the reason you might have looked this up, is it overheats and there is a popping noise in the back, around the middle on the right hand of the front side. And you'll hear a loud electrical pop. It'll kind of start doing that, and then all of a sudden the screen will flash about 3 or 4 times, and then it will be completely shut off. You can't turn it back on for probably 30-45 minutes. Usually happens after 30 minutes of being on, and a rather annoying issue, especially if you paid the official retail price of this of $500 back then. I have found, for me, I had the tools and everything, so it was about a $5 fix for this. And the issue that comes up a lot with some of these TVs is that they are poorly, the airflow is poorly maintained through them. Most don't even have some kind of fan or anything to really help the air go through. So what you're going to do, which I will show you in just a second. Let me get my camera and my flashlight here. What I have done is actually put this fan on. As you can see, I have drilled some holes in it to give me some space for that. And then I actually got this fan as a laptop fan, because the reason you need a laptop fan is that most of these TVs, and I do apologize for the camera angles, it's kind of hard to get back here, there is a service or USB port, and whenever the TV comes on, the fans come on. So it makes it very convenient. You just plug in the USB and the fans come on. Now the only thing I will note is that you really need to kind of map this out, see the scratches around where I mocked up where I was going to cut and everything. And the reason you have to map it out is because you need the screws to go in, just so. So you need to make sure, I used some self-tapping screws for this. Very thin, you don't want to go into the electrical components themselves. So once again, just easy. You can see the heat sinks, kind of. Sorry if that's not showing up too well in the video. But there's little heat sinks back there. And let's turn this TV on. I do apologize for my camera work. I am working on getting a tripod. But we'll turn it on and it still works okay. And there we go. Of course, my camera gets dark. And I don't know if it's going to show up too well in the video, but the fans are now spinning because the TV is on. And I have left this TV on for many hours at a time with no issues whatsoever. So as you can see, still working just fine. Thank you everyone for watching. My name is Jared again from Allen Tech, and if you like this video, please give me a like. It helps immensely whenever you do that. If you dislike this video, well, you know where that button is, and hey, drop me a comment and tell me why you disliked it. Tell me things I can do differently. I'm still learning at this, still new. And thank you so much for watching, and everyone have a wonderful day.